Hey guys, it's Katie Lendel here, and in this video what I'm going to share with you is the 3 cool ways of how you can make money on YouTube or with YouTube. So let's go ahead and get started. But before that, if you are new to this channel, what I usually post and provide for you guys on this channel is different ways of how to make money online or different ways how to grow your online business. So if you're interested in, those kind of things, consider subscribing. All right, let's go ahead and go over the 3 cool ways of how to make money with YouTube. So the most popular way is to get your videos monetized and to let YouTube put ads on your videos. So when you are putting out content out there, you're actually able to, have YouTube to put ads on your videos, and you're going to be able to get paid when someone actually clicks on the ad, which is playing on your video or shown on your video. But you do have to have at least 1,000 subscribers, at least at the moment when I'm recording this video. So 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watched on your YouTube channel. So once you hit those 2 things, those 2 milestones, YouTube will allow you to, partner up with them, and YouTube will allow you to monetize your videos through putting the ads on your videos. So that's one of the popular ways of how you can get paid, but obviously you're not able to use this way until you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watched in a single year. So the point when you're not there yet, don't worry about it. There is lots of different ways of how you can actually start making money on YouTube almost right away when you are, just starting out to build out your channel. And let's talk about these couple ways here as well. Another way is you can actually sell products, become an affiliate of different products and sell products through your videos. When you are creating your videos, maybe you're sharing something about the, different products that you are an affiliate of. Doesn't matter if they are digital products or physical products, you can sell any kind of products through your videos. Obviously, the first thing you should focus on is providing a lot of value in your video, and through that you can sell products. Either at the end you can mention that they can go ahead and click the link below the video and go ahead and check out the product that you're selling, or do like reviews of different products and tell them to go click the link below the video and get the product if they are absolutely loving the product. So that's one of the best ways, and that's one of my favorite ways actually to make money with YouTube on YouTube is by selling affiliate products. Same as selling your own products, you can obviously sell your own products, and it doesn't matter again if it's physical or digital products like an online course or something like that. You can also sell your own products. As far as affiliate products, I did want to mention a few different resources for you guys as well. You can find products on Amazon, become an associate with Amazon and sell products from Amazon. If you want to do physical products, you can sell products from JVZoo, ClickBank, Deal Guardian. There's so many different, platforms that you can use to find digital products as well. So one of my favorite, or a few of my favorites, favorite ones, where I actually go and find affiliate products is Kartra as well as JVZoo. Those are the 2 of my favorite platforms where you can actually become an affiliate and sell their products through YouTube videos. You can also sell t-shirts. So if you go to teespring.com or any other company that allows you to create a t-shirt, a design, and sell t-shirts. So you can simply start a campaign, create a t-shirt, either create a design yourself or hire someone to create a design, and just promote those t-shirts like at the end of your videos or whenever you want to promote inside your videos. Another cool way to sell or to make money with YouTube videos is to collaborate with other companies and other brands and promote those brands and the companies in your videos. So a lot of times when, as you're growing your channel, companies will actually contact you. But if you're just starting out, you will have to contact companies and, just offer them that you can actually promote their things in your videos. And a lot of companies love doing that. So I will also add a resource below the video where you can go and check out how you can do collaborations and things like that with companies and brands. So those are the 3 cool ways of how to make money on YouTube. Hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, go ahead and subscribe. Click that thumbs up button if you enjoyed it. And if you got some value and you want to start making money on YouTube, by starting out with one of these ways. Definitely focus on creating a multiple streams of income because, all these things, if you're going to start focusing on every of these things from the beginning, everything will add up and it will help you create that stable stream of income that comes from YouTube and from your videos. So you're not just wasting your time putting videos out there, but you're actually building an online business and creating a revenue with your YouTube videos. So go ahead and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up and go ahead and comment below which is one of your favorite ways that you want to start out with building your YouTube, or if you're already creating a stream of income on YouTube with one of these ways, or if you know any other way that you are making money and that I haven't mentioned here. Also, I did want to mention that if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, how I actually make money with affiliate products and things like that, go ahead and check out the link below this video. I do have a free training for you guys on how to make $200 per day or up to $200 per day or more as an affiliate marketer. All right, I'll see you on the inside, and I look forward to provide a lot more training and value for you guys here as well. All right, bye. God bless.